Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today for this lot, this is going to be our take two of, it's not take two, this is our so easy accounting magic 2. Alright, so here what I have actually is already discussed previously is a template on the preparation to prepare the report under publication format, right? So here under publication format, you will be needed to provide a profit or loss statement. But profit or loss statement and other compensated income for the expenses, you cannot put the details, so just a summarized figure here. So what you need to do is to have some working to get the total figure. So that's why my answer or my sheets or my preparation, my statement starting with the working for the selling, admin and finance, and this selling, admin and finance is expenses, so they are debit balance. Alright, so now afterwards you're going to find the total. Okay, from here the statement of profit or loss, we are going to have the detail of the draft for the template of your publication as a format, and then we have statement of changes, then we have your statement of financial position and your PPE. Yeah, so the next step what you should do is to post the item from the question. Okay, so this is for the file 160. So you are going to prepare the financial report to answer the questions, and then you'll be provided to you. At first is a trial balance, which is having column of debit and credit for each item here. So here, and then you also we be having additional information to be treated. Additional information, somehow there's a new transaction that need to be recorded. Therefore, for the new transaction, you must completing or complying the debit and credit rules. Okay, so my recommendation is you post the item in the trial balance first. Okay, don't waste your time. All right, so like say you have sales, so you start from the top. You have to follow every step. Okay, every single line, not wasting, not skip any line. Post to the template. That's why we have template at first place. Okay, let's say you first one you have sales. So sales is actually part of the another name for the turnover, so post the turnover 1616.5. As you can see, the question have so many zero, since I'm having constraint space limited, because I need to have this in order to make sure to ensure it's easy to be to treat and to process the report. So I will keep the 30 down here, the 30, so the rest of figure will goes to the statement, but the 30 is keeping here. All right, so this is the shortcut to make your life easy. All right, so turnover will be 16,166,165. It's stated here credit, right? So if this credit, so put it under credit on color, the credit balance. Yeah. All right, so next you will have 8,000 cost of sales, so 8,800. All right, 8,800 under cost of sale. And then you have ordinary share. So ordinary share, you can simply post to the statement of changes in equity under opening balance. It must have in credit balance. And then you have preference share 9,800. Then you have general reserve 2,795. Okay, post to the opening balance. Alright, so followed by the interest on loan. So interest on loan will be part of the finance cost 175 is a debit balance, so a color debit. Then you have investment income 1305, so color credit. And then you have interim dividend paid. Now interim dividend paid actually is a utilizing the retained profit for the year. Yeah, you declare you pay the dividend for the year based on the profit. So you have to deduct the profit. So it must be a bracket. So you are going to reduce, but this is a debit because it's reduce your capital or retained profit. So put the figure here and put the in the column of retained profit for your dividend. So you have administrative. So administrative, we're going to post to the administrative column under working is debit, color the debit. Then you have advertisement, fine, you write down the advertisement. So if it is administrative, you are going to record as a per trial balance, telling that you get this figure from the trial balance from the questions, and then 1,200. Yeah, advertisement item, so you are going to classify under selling and distribution. This is common one. And then you have freehold property. Yeah, advertisement of freehold property 11,700. Okay, freehold property should be under PPE, but since PPE is not only having detail, because the detail will be summarized under PPE or be processed under PPE. So you have land here 11,700 under the opening balance. 11,700,000, and then you have 12 million for the building. You have motor vehicle 6620, and then we have 6480 for the office furniture. Most of the time we put it under your opening balance, right? And then you have your accumulated depreciation. Okay, accumulated depreciations for the opening balance 751, 300 is 1680. You must have a credit balance because the task of this account is to reduce the asset. So next you are going to have your audit fees. Audit fees again, put it under your working. So audit fees 107 must be debit. Okay, you have investment. All right, investment 5280, and then we have trade receivable. Trade receivable here 663. Then you have trade payable here. So trade payable posted, trade payable 865, and then you have inventory is a closing stock, right? So put it here 505, color debit. Put it under template column because you're going to process to get the final afterwards. And then you have 7% loan to 700, 7% bank loan. Yeah, this is under non-current, it must be credit. And then you have a bank 2460. So bank is your current asset 2460, debit balance. And then your tax paid. So tax paid, you are going to write down or put it at your taxation. Okay, so here put it under taxation, which is under temporary column, because we know that this is not final tax unless the figure is given from the inland revenue. So most of the time in the trial balance is the estimation figure made by the company, and then the final figure will be gathered from the additional information. So we are only processing the trial balance first. Okay, 497 debit, and then we have return profit 8005. Put it under return profit 8005 credit balance. So this is the second step we have to take after completing the format. And as you can see, once you already put some figure here, I can give the marks already, so you can earn some marks already. It's a very fast and easy to tackle if we have this tab. All right, so the next one we are going to show you the next step, which be the additional information where the debit and credit should be complied. Yeah, so stay tuned. See you next coming